Thank you.
Yay! Good job. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip. Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday.
Kiss. Yeah, kiss. Kiss, Daddy.
Good afternoon, welcome back to our channel. It is Monday again and today is very special because it's Daddy Mike's birthday. Woo-hoo! Happy birthday, Daddy Mike. Can you guess how old is Daddy Mike? 25. How old is Daddy Nak? It's now 5 o'clock pala guys ng hapon and ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog. And yung gagawin natin ngayon is magluluto pala ako ng spaghetti kasi ngayon lang tayo makakapagluto guys kasi all day sobrang busy ni ate nyo sa work. And ang ating bata dito, oy, nanonood lang oh. Say hi friends.
Yummy.
Hi friends. Did you say happy birthday, Daddy na?
Happy birthday, Daddy.
Thank you.
That's a fry.
So ngayon ay pupunta ako ng shops guys kasi kulang ako ng cheese and kulang din ako ng ano ba yung kulang sa lulutuin ko cheese lang yata. Yeah, cheese lang kasi nandito na yung mga ingredients ng lulutuin natin guys. Ayan, meron akong Filipino style na spaghetti, meron tayong pasta na yan, and then meron tayong beef, minced beef, and yun lang naman talaga yung sahog natin sa ating spaghetti. Kaya, aalis na ako ngayon. Paris and Mike, they're going to stay here. Tapos, I'll just lata-lata this spaghetti, this pasta. Ayan, so iboboil ko lang siya and Mike will keep an eye on it while I go to the shop. So, I will see you again very soon. Hi guys! Nakauwi na ako. Tingnan nyo, umuulan pala sa labas. Nag-jacket ako ng very makapal. And, alam nyo, so funny kasi, di ba dito sa Melbourne ngayon, kailangan na nakamask ka na talaga pag lumabas ka ng sasakyan, lumabas ka ng bahay. Nakalimutan ko palang mag-mask kasi parang nasanay ako na walang mask ba. Tapos pagkapasok ko doon, sabi ko, hala, lahat ng mga tao nakamask. Buti na lang kasi ito yung ito yung gamit ko kanina na jacket nung naglakad-lakad kami ba. Merong mask dito sa loob ng ng bulsa. Thank you Lord. Kasi pag nakita ako ng pulis, nako, makapay na naman tayo. Anyways, kunti lang yung binili ko guys sa Safeway. Pakita ko lang quickly yung mga napamili ko doon. Bili ako ng Coffee Mate kasi naubusan ako. And then, tingnan nyo guys, bumili ako ng maliit lang na cake ba. Ayan, para mapagsalu-saluhan namin mamaya. And then, binilhan ko sa Daddy Mike nito. Power ride niya. Daddy, I've got power ride for you. And then, ito yung cheese na binili ko. Kasi itong cheese na to talaga is, ito yung pinaka-similar sa Eden cheese. Wala akong mahanap na iba talaga.
Mommy!
Yes, my love.
Listen.
What's that? Give it to Daddy, come. Thank you. Ayan. Tapos nagbili ako ng balon na ganito. Tapos, ano ba ang binili ko? Tapos nagbili lang ako ng Coke para drinks namin mamaya. And then, itong candles na to para magsing-sing happy birthday kami mamaya. So yun lang yung binili ko. Oh, actually nakalimutan ko. So bumili pala ako ng bulaklak pero iniwan ko sa labas kasi mamaya ko na yun ibibigay kay Mike pag kumain na kami. Actually, yung plano ko tonight is magluluto ako ng mabilisan ngayon ng spaghetti. So yun lang talaga yung handa namin guys today. Sa birthday ni Mike, spaghetti lang talaga. And anyways, happy na kami dyan guys. Kasi nga 'di ba, close everywhere, kaya hindi kami makakapunta sa mga restaurant para mag-dine in. So, naisipan ko na I still want this day to be special for Mike. Of course, kasi para ma-feel din niya kung gaano siya ka-special sa amin. Kaya, napag-isipan ko na yung gagawin ko nga, magluluto ako. Tapos, pagkatapos kong magluto, we will dress up. So, sabi ko sa kanila na magdadamit kami na parang lalabas kami for dinner ba? Para kahit naman nandito lang kami sa bahay, feel pa rin namin na we can still do things. Parang walang makaka-stop sa amin kung ano yung gusto namin gawin. Kaya magbibihis kami ng maganda, yung mga yung pang dinner talaga na mga damit. Tapos, ito, kakain kami and then magsa-celebrate lang kami kahit anong oras na ngayon. It is nearly 6:30 ng gabi and I'll make sure na mga around 7:30 ready na kami. Ma-set na namin yung dinner namin na spaghetti lang naman. Wala talagang bongga-bongga. Come here, anak. Wait, say hi to Tita, wait.
That's mommy.
Yes. Ito ang ating anak. Oh, say hi, friends.
Right?
Say hi, friends.
Look.
Hi, friends. That's the cheese.
It's yummy.
Yeah. Say hi sa friends mo.
Look, it's cheese.
That's onion. Mama cooked spaghetti. Say, happy birthday, Daddy. Say, happy birthday, Daddy.
News.
Nurse?
News.
Tapos, ipapasuot ko si Paris ng dress niya para, para lang kami tingnan ba?
Cake.
Yeah, that's right.
Happy daddy.
Happy birthday. Say, happy birthday, Daddy.
Happy daddy, daddy.
Mama will cook now, okay? So we can have dinner. I love you, anak.
No.
What are you doing?
Daddy.
Yeah, we will do the, you do the balloon for Daddy. Go. We'll do Ayan, so luto na ang ating pasta. And gagawin ko na lang yung sauce ngayon.
Years later.
So magbibihis na kami ngayon guys kasi luto na yun siya and maghihilamos lang ako ganyan tapos magbihis-bihis konti para maganda naman tayong tingnan sa ating dinner date. May dinner date pa talagang nalalaman. But no, ito lang talaga yung naisip ko guys na gawin para naman hindi masyadong parang parang quiet lang yung birthday ni Mike. Kaya ito na yung mga damit namin ni Paris guys. Oh, parang pupunta lang ng party. But anyways, mag-base na kami guys. I'll see you again very soon. Hi guys! Ayan, naka-ready na kami ni Baby Paris. And ang ating birthday boy ay nasa shower pa. Anyways, ayan, mabilisan lang na nag-makeup si atin nyo guys. Para maganda naman tayo tonight. And tingnan nyo yung dress ko. Parang saan lang pupunta? Dito lang naman pala sa bahay. Pero 'di ba at least naman may effort kami na para special din yung birthday ng ating Daddy Mike. And ito si Paris guys. O, tingnan nyo. Yay! What are you wearing, Nak? Put the shoes on, Cinderella. Wait, put the shoes on.
No?
Put the shoes on. Tingnan nyo guys, naka-red dress lang siya guys. Ayan, kasi dito lang naman sa bahay, so hindi kami giginawin. And pakita ko sa inyo yung outfit ko guys ha. Parang saan lang ang party. Hala, madilim ba siya guys? Hindi siya masyadong kita kay gabi naman. Ayan, so tingnan nyo guys. Floral pa si atin nyo. Ayan. O, diba? Tapos, parang inano ko lang yung buko kasi kanina binulibod ba. Ganyan na kapag walang time, trabaho na diretsyo. Excuse me na anak. Ayan. So, yan yung shoes natin guys. Tingnan nyo, oh. Kahit dito lang sa bahay, naka-high heels. Why not? And yan. Favorite ko to siya na dress guys. Pero, hindi ko nga lang nasusuot kasi nga, diba? Wala naman tayong pupuntahan.
Mommy.
Yes, my love?
That one.
Ayun na, di man nabagay sa imong dress. Put that one. Put the black one on. Wow, beautiful kaayo.
Look like
Take the socks off.
comfortable.
Yes. Uy, I don't eat the shoes kay dirty, nak.
Look bump.
Be,
No, no.
There's a police. Hala, there's a police. Wait, put this on. Put this on. Para mura kag prinsesa.
That's the sir.
Ha?
No, it's mine.
Police. Kakaroon. There's a police coming, hello.
You
No, shoes. How about the other one?
No, it's just a press.
Come on,
No.
there's a police coming, nak. Come on, put it on.
Put on the police cup.
Yes, put it on because the police won't come if you don't put it on. Do you know how to?
No.
Ay na. So yun na nga ang ating mukha ngayon and while si Daddy Mike ay nagre-ready na rin kasi nag-shower siya, i-ready na natin yung pagkain natin sa labas. And mind you guys, yung pagkain namin talaga is yung spaghetti lang na niluto ko. Tapos mamaya bumili ako ng cake, diba? Yung maliit lang na cake. So yun lang yung pagsalusaluhan lang namin tonight. Wala talagang parang extravaganza talaga na ano yung celebration talaga. And naglagay pa ako ng kunting makeup guys. Oh, sayang-sayang naman ko dahil sa akong makeup. Ay! But for Daddy Mike, guys, I will do everything. Char. Anyways, ready na natin yung pagkain guys kasi it is now 7:20 ng gabi. Ayan na ang aming handaan guys. Tingnan niyo. Kaming tatlo lang. Ganyan, aming spaghetti and yung maliit namin na ano na cake. Tapos magkanta lang kami ng happy birthday. Did you say happy birthday to Daddy na?
Happy Daddy, Daddy.
Thank you.
Yay! Good job. Do you want to sit here next to Mommy and Daddy?
No.
Why
Did I
not? Are you baby Gruffalo or Mommy Gruffalo?
They go flow. Mama go for the expert
Show Daddy baby Gruffalo. Paris? Like this? Paris. Show Daddy baby Gruffalo.
Happy birthday, Daddy!
Thank you.
It's cool.
Ayan, kain na kami guys ha. Ay, mag-ano pala tayo. Where's that thing again?
Look, Happy Daddy. Yeah.
Andito pala guys, nahanap ko. There's Daddy. Wow, come here, nak! Paris is clapping her hands. Is that real, Daddy? Ay.
One.
One.
This is the
Two.
twos.
Daddy, careful because you might... Come here, nak, 'cause we're gonna sing happy birthday to Daddy.
Don't be coward, Paris.
That's a surprise.
Come.
Come on. Come on, because we're gonna sing happy birthday to Daddy.
This is going to go.
So, come sit with Daddy.
Wait, not it. Oh, it's not yours. Makan Daddy, mana nak.
Come here. Come sit with Daddy to sing.
Yay!
Ready? Ready?
Ready, go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip!
Hooray!
Hip hip! Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday.
Happy Daddy, Daddy. You
Kiss.
want the candle?
Kiss. Kiss Daddy.
Kiss Daddy. Kiss Daddy. Happy birthday, Daddy.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Say your wish
One.
and blow the candle.
Come, come.
Blow it, Daddy.
One more. One more. Yay!
Ayan guys, kakain na muna kami ng aming spaghetti. And then we'll talk to you again soon.
Bye, Daddy.
Ito yung spaghetti natin guys. Tingnan nyo. O, diba? Kabahan ka na, Jollibee. Ayan, naubos na pala ni Daddy Mike sa kanya.
How to eat cake?
Cake na daw, sabi ni Paris.
Daddy will eat Paris noodles.
Anak, you have to cut the cake now.
No. They're going to candle.
Yeah, you blow the candle already.
Chris, eat the cake and put the candle off.
Ito daw?
Okay?
Daddy will cut the cake.
They can see the cake.
Yes.
Look, it's such a shoe. Look. Mommy.
Red velvet pala na cake yan, guys. It's very cheap.
Blueberries. Blueberry.
What is that na?
Blueberries.
Blueberries?
Look, that is cake.
Yeah, is it blueberries?
No, it's red.
Maliit lang yung kinuha ko kasi kami lang naman
this is
tatlo.
really red. Look, it's huge. Yeah, yeah.
Wow.
Pass.
This one's Paris.
No, this is that.
Which one is Paris?
Hala, namimili siya ng kanyang
Hey, Daddy.
slice.
There you go.
It's Daddy.
That's Paris and this mummy.
It's pass.
Good there.
Yum, yum, yum. It's Daddy.
Yum, yum, yum.
It's mummy.
Sarah, I'm still eating my
Here
own
goes
spaghetti.
Mommy.
Mama's still eating spaghetti.
Here.
Take it up.
Okay, thank you. Achoosh. Thank you, princess. Yum.
Yay!
Eat.
Eat. Mmm. You like it? Natapos na namin ang aming pagkain. Did you like my spaghetti, Daddy?
Yeah. So full.
Is it like same as Jollibee?
Oh, much better. You put the Jolly in Jollibee.
Anyways, hang on, Daddy. I'm gonna grab something. Kasi hindi ko pa naibigay sa kanya yung ano guys, yung bulaklak ba? Kunin ko kasi nilagay ko sa labas. Kunin natin.
No.
Hala, very dark man dito. Oy, may wakwak. Dito ko iniwan, oh. For you, Daddy.
Say it again.
Say happy birthday, Daddy. Say happy birthday, Daddy. Paris. Flowers for you, Daddy. See, men also deserves flowers, guys. So it's for Daddy Mike. Flower for his birthday.
Smell the flowers?
Wow. Smells good. Ayan. Thank you, Daddy, for everything. Happy birthday. I love you very much.
Love you more.
Ayan. And busy pa kami, guys, kasi si Daddy Mike ay mag-work pa siya.
Here's
He's
Moses.
still gonna work tonight, honey?
Daddy, it's Moses.
1 more hour.
Yeah. 1 more hour.
Yeah,
And
it's
then,
Moses.
kasi busy sa trabaho talaga, guys. Tapos ngayon, yung gagawin ko is maglilinis na dito. Itong mga pagkainan natin. Hi, guys! Ayan, naka-robe na si ate nyo, guys. Oh. Kasi yung gagawin natin ngayon ay maglilinis tayo ng kusina for a little bit. Kahit kunti lang ba. Kasi may mga naiwan pa na spaghetti. So, ilalagay ko sila sa mga yung maliliit na Tupperware ba para ilagay ko sa freezer. Para naman may makakain ako mga, ewan ko baka siguro until end of the week. May spaghetti pa ako. Kaya, yun yung gagawin natin. Si Paris pala nabihisan ko na pang tulog niya. And, alam nyo guys, anong oras na ba ngayon? Malapit nang mag 9 o'clock. So, yung gagawin ko pa, i-ready ko pa yung mga gamit ni Paris for tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow is Tuesday and my childcare si Paris. So, i-ready ko pa yung dadalhin niya and yung susuotin niya para bukas. But for now, ano muna tayo sa... hugasan muna natin yung mga plato natin. Asan ang aking anak? Anak, alinak! Tingnan niyo ang pinasuot ko sa kanya. Tingnan niyo ang pinasuot ko sa kanya, guys. Ang kanyang onesie na cow. Say moo! Say moo, nakabay kay. You're a cow. Be?
Oh, what is that?
Ala! Naubuan ka naman, anak! Ala! You're a cow. See? You're a cow. Baba. Say hi, friends. Sa dali nakabay.
It's in the put on, Mommy.
Ano put on? Okay. Wait. Like that. Wow! Moo!
I was kitty.
Moo! Are you a cow?
No, the cat.
Are you a cat?
And the cat.
Are you a cat?
No, the man.
You're a cow. 10:50 ng gabi and our little Paris is now sleeping. Tapos si Daddy Mike is still working. Kaya nandito ako sa beauty room kasi nire-ready ko yung mga dadalhin ni Paris bukas sa childcare. And of course, yung susuotin niya bukas. Kaya before ako matutulog, yun yung gagawin ko. And that's about it for today really guys. Wala kaming sobrang special talaga na ginawa kasi hindi naman kami makakaalis kasi nga 'di ba lockdown. So we are not allowed to go to the restaurant or anything like that. Yung mga bagay na normally ginagawa namin pag may birthdays. However, we will just make it up pag pag okay na ang lahat, tsaka na lang kami pupunta sa pag mag-dine in sa mga restaurant ganyan. But for now, we were just happy na nandito lang kami sa bahay, na nagawa namin yung dinner kahit guys. Ano ba yung dinner namin guys? Oy, super simple lang talaga. Yun lang, yung spaghetti lang na niluto ko, yung Filipino spaghetti. Tapos, yung konting cake, and kaming tatlo lang. And, yeah, I think, I find it very special naman. As long as nandito kaming tatlo, we are all healthy. I think that's the main thing. And also, guys, we are now road to 12K subscribers. Oh my God. Still, I can't believe na every day slowly tumataas yung sub counts natin, and I'm very thankful for each and every one sa inyo kasi nag-subscribe kayo sa channel namin, and also hindi kayo nagsasawang manood ng mga videos namin, mag-leave ng mga beautiful comments. Appreciate ko talaga yung mga kind words nyo, binabasa ko lahat. However nga, sinasabi ko na before na minsan hindi ko nare-replyan isa-isa, but I make sure na naha-heart ko pag nabasa ko na yung comment nyo. Kasi nga, alam nyo na, if you've been following me for a while now, you know the reason why hindi ko talaga kayo ma-replyan isa-isa. Kasi alam nyo na kung gaano ka-busy yung atin nyo. I'm going to end the vlog here now, guys, because it's getting late. And again, we can't end our vlog without shout-out kasi mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kaya magsha-shout-out tayo. And the first shout-out goes to Lina De Los Santos from Teresa Rizal. Jovi Atilio, shout out naman daw sa Santa Ana family and Atilio family. Angel Chris Barte from Pigawayan, North Cotabato. Thank you and shout out to Rachel Mandao from Dipolog City. Shout out to April Rose Romero, Erica Jean. Shout out to Daya Magallanes, Victoria Secret VCM Live TV. Shout out to Kim Gabuya. And also shout out to Tracy Gabuya from Cebu. Shout out to Mary Ann Caniel Vero, Cooking with Manang Wilma. Shout out to Nidi Francia from Cavite. Shout out to Fabrel Go. Hello, Dai. Shout out to Janet Gordon, Evelyn Ramirez, Vivian Bayona, Joy Paklibar, Elsie Maglangit. I hang out with my girls, the D family. Shout out to Sonia Lyson from North Cotabato, Rebecca Balingit, Carol Balitang Diego, Elisa Samiliano, Teodora Algas, Fe Guarnes, Flora Ferrer from Eastern Samar, Vanji Terado, Anita Valdez, Papa Tau, LM. Shout out to Elsa Mapagu, to Joy Guillermo, Mary Ann de Guzman, Gracie Katie Oneres. Shout out to May Gao, Kosha Basham, Evelyn Buena, Sis Kay Acosta. Hello, Sisi. Shout out to Lulia Fidiga, Liling Youngs Austria, Jane Mapinmags, Jam B, Hilas Ka, Claudine's Kitchen, Claudine Reed, Diony Sawitan, Marilu Corpus, Jeanette Mariano Candelaria, And shout out to Cherry Ramos and also her family, Boy, Cherry, Ira, Richard, and Christian Ramos. And shout out to Rosemary Romoir. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all guys in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye!